nih. Selfie. Yeah, like this. Good.
Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. What you see in this video, it is Cambugahay waterfalls. Such a beautiful place. Today I am going to share my experience when I was in Siquijor island. So get ready. As usual, in the entrance you have to pay 20 pesos. After register yourself, you can go to the waterfalls. Everyone is very happy over here. It is almost 10 o'clock. The waterfalls from the road, you have to go at least 50 meters downwards. The way to the waterfalls give a canyon vibe. I can hear people shouting in the waterfalls. They're having fun over there. Look at the deep. It takes at least 2 minutes to reach the waterfalls.
Wow. See that? It's a place.
Wow, look at the view. You can clearly see my face. I was really happy to see this place. Look at the beauty of the place. Really, you'll get a more energy when you discover the natural beauty like this. You have a swinging place also available, so you can swing yourself. That experience is going to be groundbreaking. Look at that. Wow. Ouch. That's going to hurt. I know that is not very easy, but it was a good try. This waterfalls has 3 levels. This is the first level you can see and have a big swimming hole. This is the first level you're seeing. Looks like there is no place to take off and landing drone over here. Wow. So far, if you like this video, please like and comment below and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. You can see the second level, so you need to walk upwards. Let's see the second level and third level. On the way, there is a lot of shops over here. You can rent a life jacket over here. If you don't know swimming, you need to wear a life jacket, then you can swing in the swing area. In this place, everyone is very happy. Now we reach the second level, but I'm not impressed with the second level. So now we are going to the third level. Lucky enough, yesterday was no rain, so the water was aqua blue. Otherwise, whenever it rains, the water color will be changed like a muddy color. That's going to be ruin your whole experience. So you guys keep that in mind. In my personal experience and my opinion, third level and the first level is fantastic. You can see so many people over there because you have activity, and the place also very nice. Look at that, how beautiful it is. I'm really shocked and soaked in the beauty of the nature for a minute over here, just capturing all the beauty in my mind. I'm really very happy to found this place. That's a good place. Here you can rent a bamboo raft for 300 pesos per person. They will give you for 15 minutes. So I can't wait anymore. I will swing in the swing and enjoy the water. The water was amazing because the sunlight is beaming on my face. When I dip in the water, that experience is fantastic. Now the time to fly the drone. This place looks like a canyon and thick forest, so really hard to fly my drone. I just finding a good spot for my drone to fly. There is no lot of space in the waterfalls area. It's not that easy to fly over here because the place looks like a canyon and dense forest. Finally I found a place. Look, so much of obstacles. I'm not a pro pilot, I'm just learning right now. Look at the place. This is the first level you're looking at. and it is in the deep down. You can see the second level. Today is a beautiful sunny day. Now you can get a whole idea about this place. The water was aqua blue. That looks fantastic. And you have a thick rainforest. You can see a lot of people swinging in the swinging area. For the swinging area, you can tip them from 50 paise to 100 pesos, so they let you swing. So far, if you like this video, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. This place is more than 20 feet deep, so if you're swinging in the swinging area, you must know swimming. Otherwise, wear a life jacket. If you come over here, probably you spend half a day because you have 3 layers of waterfalls. So you can jump to pool, you can enjoy the places, and you can swing as much you like. If you rent a bamboo raft, you can go close to the waterfalls. You can take a bath over there. That is a good idea too. When you go over there, please check the previous day should not be rained, so you can enjoy the aqua blue water. If it is rained, the next day going to be a muddy water, so the whole experience will be different. So keep this on your mind. That is very important. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you on the next video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the last one.
Woo!